In the heart of Darjeeling's mountain, the humble orange trees bring life to the land, filling the air with their sweet aroma and the warmth of their vibrant color. This is the story of the people, the culture, and the soul of Darjeeling, told through the oranges that grow here.
टुरिस्टहरूको यो गार्डन ओरेन्ज गार्डन हेर्नलाई धेरै आकर्षित भएर धेरैभन्दा धेरै टुरिस्टहरू आउने गरेको छ, जसले गर्दा हाम्रो यहाँको धेरैजनाले यहाँनिर देखभाल गर्नु साफसफाइ गर्नुमा यहाँनिर उनीहरूको रोजगारको व्यवस्था पनि भएको छ गाउँवालाहरूको। साथसाथै हाम्रो पनि यो हाम्रो परिवारको लागि पनि यो ओरेन्जमा टुरिस्टहरू आएर हामीलाई केही रकम दिने हुनाले हामीलाई एउटा हाम्रो घर परिवार चलाउनुमा पनि धेरै सुविधा भएको छ।
Orange tourism has become a lifeline here, inviting visitors to experience not only the taste of fresh oranges, but the essence of Darjeeling's rich culture. Oranges bring more than beauty to the hills. For many, they are a source of income. Through seasonal tourism, local families earn enough to support themselves, sending children to the school and investing in their villages.
It's the first time I visited this place, Baramangwa, and I'm in just love with this place. The whole place is filled with like orange trees, and we also had oranges, the ripe oranges, on our Airbnb, and we just discovered this place of this farm today itself. And now we are just purchasing. You can see we are a group of 6 people, and we all are just purchasing orange stuffs, orange mango, orange squash, orange juice, and we just love these. And we are also buying for our colleagues, so that they can also enjoy and they can also have the feel of this place. I would just request everyone, you should visit this place once in your life.
Oranges also brings everyone together. Festivals mark the harvest seasons with music and dance, sharing a joy that's as vibrant as the fruit itself. This celebration is not just of a crop, but of the culture that keeps it alive. With the rise of orange tourism, the people of Darjeeling are also steward of their environment, ensuring that these orchards and the natural beauty of their land can be enjoyed by the future generations. Darjeeling's oranges are more than fruit. They are a bridge between people, nature and tradition.
हाम्रो घरमा चाहिँ यहाँ सुन्तला बगैँचा लगाएको धेरै वर्ष भयो है, जसमा चाहिँ अब यो हामीले यहीँको मलजल लगाएर चाहिँ रोपेको हो। कुनै प्रकारको केमिकल्सहरू नलगाई रोपेको हो। यो चाहिँ मार्केटमा लगेर लानुहुन्छ, कति आफै लानुहुन्छ, कति अब टुरिस्ट हाम्रो यहाँ गेस्ट हाउसले गर्दाखेरि होमस्टेले गर्दा कति टुरिस्टहरूले पनि लानुहुन्छ।
Here, in the shadow of these mountains, visitors find not only beauty but a connection to the land, to its people, and to a way of life that thrives with every new season.